I'd show you how to zip up a piece of peyote work. If you wanted to make, you know, like a little tube or something like that, or a little tube for a lariat, you know, or even a little toggle clasp, you need to be able to zip up. So what you do is you have to make sure that your peyote is lining up so that you have, like, you know, your male and your female. So you've got this zipper teeth happening. So once you're in that position, it's quite easy to do, and I'll just show you. The first thing you do is we come out of here, and we're going to go in here, so it will, you know, on the opposite side, but then we're going to zip it over to this side here so that you see it zips up. Then from here I'm going to go across to here and then here, and then from here to here. So you can see I'm just going backward and forward, zigzagging. And then from here across to this one. Get this thread out the way. So you can see how it's zipping up, and you can just do it loose or you can tighten it as you go. And then from here to here, and that little thread is coming out, so I'll just pull it up. And then you can see if I pull it up now, that's almost all zipped up. And then the last bead just goes in through there, and I'll just go through a couple of beads, tighten it up, and there you can see that you have a seamless join. So I'm just going to weave down, you know, back and forth a little bit, just to reinforce it, and you know, I can do some knots if I want to at the end, but just by weaving it, that will literally make it quite a solid join and quite a solid piece.